Whenever you get ready, I can stop. Hi, I'm Ron.
And I'm Marie.
10 years ago, we bought a broken down trawler for $4,000.
And nothing worked, not even the kitchen sink.
After a lot of hard work and help from our friends and family, we moved aboard Elixir full time. And now we are cruising this old boat while the work and fun continues.
So subscribe and give us a like and come along with us, cruising this old boat. The sun is peeking over the horizon. We are anchored in the middle of the ocean on a shelf and getting ready to leave here and go to Bimini, back to Bimini. And we'll be checking out of Bimini when the weather's good to go back to the U.S. On our way back from Nassau to Bimini, the engine was, the RPMs were dropping, and they would pick back up, but then they were dropping, so Ron decided to go down and switch fuel tanks. And I guess the Raycor was worse on the second one, so that didn't work. And then tried to switch it back, got some error in the line. So now he's down there trying to bleed it to get the air out of the line. But we are currently dead in the water, and we are, oh, let me see, how far are we? This is where we are, and there's Bimini over here. So we're right here, and there's Bimini. It's currently 2:56 p.m. and it says our arrival time is 7:32 p.m. Of course, that will change once we get back going, but it's been about 6:45 p.m. But because we're dead in the water, we are 41.43. It's getting more and more. The waves are taking us off course, 46, 49 feet off course. There's absolutely nothing we can do about it. You can see that number's climbing. It's up to 53 now, 54. We will adjust that once we get going again, but of course everything stopped. The screens are all covered in salt from us traveling today. And it sounds like we're finally getting a signal for the first time today. Stuff is coming through, but I don't know if you can see or not, I have absolutely no bars. Just tells dot 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 and then tells the battery level. We anchored on the shelf last night. It was a pretty calm night. We might end up anchoring on the shelf again tonight. We're actually only in about 25 foot of water, so it's really kind of interesting. So we're about, I guess, 22 to 25 miles maybe from Bimini, I think. But looking all around, can't see land anywhere. And of course, some of these islands are really low, so they might be out there. Well, we know they're out there, but you know, it's hard to see. But with the engine stopped and us just sitting here and just letting the current and the wind or whatever just move us a little bit off off our course, it's just really amazing to look at the chart and see the vast area that it's called a shelf out here, Bimini Shelf, I guess. or the Bahama shelf, I'm not sure what it's called. But anyway, it's like 25 feet deep, and you can see the bottom all around. And it makes you just want to put your bathing suit on and jump in the water. Take a dip, cool off. It's so quiet out here though. That our engines are running. And don't feel concerned, because if for some reason or other we start to drift too far, I'll just drop the anchor till he gets it going. But we're not drifting that far right now. We're oh, it lost it. But the last I looked, we were about 200 foot off our course. Oh no, it's still there. Just lost our arrival time. 296, 297. Where's the... Do you want me to come hold that bucket?
Okay.
Ron's trying to fire it back up, see if we can get it going. And I hear it. We're 825 feet off course. Not too bad. And I had a refreshing dip in the ocean. Let me get it going. Bye. Well, we're stopped for the second time on the, what is it called, the Grand Bahama Shelf. I'm trying to catch these dolphins out here. Kind of like circling the boat, but I can't seem to keep up with them. Probably just curious. A couple of them just swimming around. But anyway, this time we dropped the anchor. It's our anchor and anchor chain. And Ron is, I think, trying to change out the secondaries on the fuel filters. And it's already almost 5 o'clock. So not sure if we're going to, my hair's still a mess from me jumping in the water. Took a quick shower, but I didn't worry about it afterwards. Not sure if we're going to try to get closer to Bimini or not. We're currently about 17 miles out. The first time we stopped, we were a little over 22 miles out. We can actually see Bimini in the distance. Oh, maybe that's not me. It's oh, yes, it is me. Guess I need to go comb my hair. Alright. Anyway, it's pretty out here. Good thing the water's calm. Ron's in the hot engine room working. I'm sure that's no fun. You barely see Bimini off in the distance over there. We didn't put the bridle on or anything like that. Set the anchor because we might try to get a little bit closer. We might try to get a little bit closer to Bimini before the nightfall. We'll see.
Thanks for watching.